it's me Ayushi and welcome back to my channel Mandala Art. Merry Christmas everyone. So I hope you have guessed it that today's video is going to be all about Christmas theme mandala, and mostly I have used the reds and greens which resembles Christmas. So for this I'm using some colors which I'll provide the link in the description below. So there's a mini request from this mini Santa that if you love this video, don't forget to like and hopefully subscribe for the future mandalas videos and share with your friends. Okay, let's get started. Firstly, mark the center of the page and then draw a vertical and horizontal line. Then draw some points at 0.5 centimeter, and then by making the concentric circles, join them together. And this will give you all many circles at a 0.5 centimeter spaces. Now I just simply make some doodles around the mandala related to the Christmas, like socks and bells and gifts, and then I will be marking some points at 10 degree. This I should be doing before creating the doodle, but I forgot, so I'll do now. Now I'm joining all those opposite points. So this is the basically process of making a grid. You can check my different video which I have created, like how to create a mandala grid. That will also help you out. So this is a separate compass which I'm using. This special compass holds pens, so you will easily draw the lines with the help of this compass. The point here that please remove all the pencil marks once you are done with the pen outline. So here I'm using my Staedler colored pens. These are very smooth, and as I have already told you, I am choosing the red and this green color. I was not able to completely shoot this process of creating the inner circle because my phone decided to give me some storage issues, which usually happens. But what I actually did, I took this marker and highlight the outer part, and with the help of a wet brush, what I actually did is spreading them out towards the center. So it will create this kind of effect. Since I have created a lot of patterns here, so my main character doodles like songs and gifts are getting mixed up. So that's why I decided to like highlight them, that will pop up the doodles in this whole mandala. That's it for today's video, guys. I hope you all like it, and if you recreate this, do share me on Instagram. Bye bye.